Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a February March 2023 variant 12 question number 11. Topic is integration. So let's start. First of all, equation of the line AB. And if you look at carefully, we have a given A coordinates and B coordinates. So not a hard job. So job number one, I'll go for a gradient. And you know y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1. So I'm writing now here 2 minus 1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm getting 5 minus 2. And I'm getting here 1 because 1 gradient. So where this line cut the y-axis, we're not sure. So we can find it y minus y1 equals to m minus x1. So I use any one point. I think I use 5, 2. So 5 minus 2 is equals to gradient 1 x minus 5. So y minus 2 is equal to x minus 5 and y is equals to x minus 3. First part done for 2 marks. And what is the planning? He said next part, volume or rotation when a region, curve and line rotated about y-axis 360 degree. So we will concentrate. This is a upper limit. You can see this 2. This is a lower limit is minus 1. So this portion, and if your observer's eye is okay, look at I'm telling you for a short time, and just erase this everything, remove it. If your observer's eye is here, just sake of understanding, your observer's eye is here. Okay, so if you look at here, this line is far and the curve is closest. So it means a second number is common sense, which has a more area, more volume, volume due to the line is more, okay, and volume due to curve is a lesser. So naturally we can say upper curve minus lower curve, but here line we have actually. So line minus curve. So what is the integration of the point? Line square minus curve square. So this is a planning behind. So let's try to do it now. So what is the formula of the volume? Basically, basic formula I'm writing here of the volume about x-axis formula, you know it, volume. So what is volume about x-axis? Volume formula, pi outside, x1 below, x2 up, y dx and square of y. But the same formula about y-axis, okay, not x-axis. So formula, every x will become y and every y will become x. So then volume formula will be, this x1, x2 will turn to be y1, y2. This y square will convert into x square. And this dx become dy. So let's start. So I'm applying the formula here. Basically formula pi outside, y1, y2 line equation, line square dx minus again pi, not dx here dy, sorry for that, dy. Now here y1, here y2, here curve, square and dy. So I'm starting now. So I think point is very clear. Y1 is 1 and y2 is 2. We will consider y values only, never x, okay. So lower limit is minus 1, upper limit is 2. -1 and 2. But point is very clear. We have to make it not y here, x. So we have a y subject. So this I will make it x subject. 3 will go on the other end. I got a y plus 3. This is the most important part. So I'm writing here y plus 3 whole square dy. Same approach, I have to make x. And luckily, his x subject is given by him. No need to make it. Y square plus 1 power 2 dy. And lower limit minus 1 upper 2. And we are going to close a question. But you remember, students, this is a linear base. Linear base means power of x is 1. So let me write linear base. Okay, so no need to expand, but is a power 2 means non-linear base. Okay, whenever non-linear base comes, so we are bound to expand with no choice we have. So let's apply the formula and get the answer. So first of all, I can do it directly. So y plus 3 increase the power by 1 and divided by same into 1. This 1 comes the y derivative. And lower limit minus 1, upper limit is positive 2. So up till here, the point is very clear. Okay, now what about the other students? Minus pi. Now here, can I do this one directly? No way. We are bound to expand. And squaring identity, you know, first term square plus 2 into first term, second term plus second term square. So you know it variable, students. So this y square will come first two bracket and 1 will go in next two brackets. So y square, 1, 1. So here, this 3 you can bring outside or keep inside, both are correct. So I'm getting this, I must simplify before you put the limits. Okay, this is our key to success. Okay, come here. What is this? A 2 to the 4. What is the integration now? Increase the power by 1, so 5 by 5. There's a 2y square. Increase the power by 1, so 3 by 3. And one integration is y. I'm putting the limits. Let me check finally. Sorry for that. Is a positive. This is a positive. Okay. This part is very, very clear. Now I'm going to plug in the limits. So when I plug in the limits, students, here what I will get. When I plug in 2, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 to the power 3 is 125. And when I plug in minus 1 here, I got 2, 2 to the power 3 is 8. So this is done. Now let's apply the other one. Plug in 5 here. 5 to the power 5 over 5. So plus 2 times to 5 to the power 3 by 3 and plus 5. Upper limit done, minus. When I plug in 1, so you know negative will come out. Negative 1 over 5, negative 2 over 3 and negative 1. So now I'm going to solve it and let's see what answers turn to be. And wait a minute, let me check the calculator. So calculator, I am going to type in calculator 125 minus 8 and divided by 3. And wait a minute. Just a minute. This is turn to be, if I check it, plug in 2, 2 plus 3, 5, and 5 to power 3. Yes, correct. 5 to power 3 is 125 divided by 3. Okay. So we have done 125 minus 8 and divided by 3. So this comes 39. I repeat, 125 minus 8 and divided by 3. I get 39 pi. Okay. What about this answer, students? So let's try check it. So now we have to do it carefully because upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is, this is a mistake of mine. This is a 2, not 5. Sorry for that. That is why I'm getting a, okay, I have to change these values, this only. So here 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 to the 16 over 3. And here I get a 2. I think this mistake is covered. Rest part is, I think, very clear. No change is required there. Okay, now I'm typing 32 by 5 and plus 16 by 3 plus 2 and negative 105 and negative 203 and negative 1. So I get what here? I get here 78 over 5 pi. Or pi I write afterwards, no issue at all. So I think point is very clear. Now from 39, if I subtract this answer, I get 117 over 5 pi unit cube, because this give always volume. Okay, as he asked us to find volume. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the point is very